For over a century, the American Kennel Club has been the leading authority on all things dog and dedicated advocate for our loyal and loving companions. Bringing the spirit of the American Kennel Club to New York City, we invite you to a new, engaging destination. Welcome to the AKC Museum of the Dog. The museum houses the largest collection of canine artwork, second only to the Queen of England's, within a flexible design framework that allows for ever-changing exhibitions. Exhibitions that depict man's best friends throughout the ages and their colorful personalities. Most importantly, the museum is an interactive learning center that supports the American Kennel Club's mission to promote research, philanthropy, responsible ownership, and, above all, the love of all things dog. Museums today are rethinking who they are and providing holistic experiences that inform and inspire their audiences. With the enthusiasm of a dog, the space invites exploration and discovery, supported by digital exhibits that educate and engage. Juxtaposing fine art and technology, refined and playful design features, interactive learning and entertainment. It's a fully immersive experience. In only the first 6 months, the museum has attracted tens of thousands of visitors from around the world, reflecting the American Kennel Club's legacy and future. The museum brings the entire community of dog lovers together to celebrate the joy dogs bring into our lives every day. Museum of the Dog, a true destination for all people and all things dog.